Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me Leonardo Seno Antoni, student of Communication Science at Yogyakarta Muhammadiyah University and participant in PR research course. In this video, I will explain about the communication audit. The first is communication role. What the role of communication in organization? Communication is a key foundation in an organization's success, playing a key role in conveying message, building a corporate image, and establishing good relationship with stakeholder. Communication is not only a means of conveying information, but also an important element in shaping public perception of the company. Good relationship with stakeholders such as employers, customers, and the general public rely heavily on the effectiveness of communication. A communication audit is a systematic process to evaluate, measure, and improve the effectiveness of an organization communication. The goal is to ensure message consistency, understand stakeholder needs, and improve communication quality. Conducting regular communication audit help organizations to continuously improve their communication strategies. It helps detect potential communication risks, measure the success of message, and ensure that communication are in line with company objectives. The main objective of communication audit include ensuring that organization message reach its target are consistent with company values and are effective in building good understanding. Through the communication audit, organization can build trust by ensuring consistency and transparency of communication, identification of potential risks, help prevent communication issues that could harm the company reputation. And this is a step communication audit process. Number one is stakeholder identification. Is a is a is a in this step, identification is carried out to determine the parties with interest in the organization. This involves defining who has an interest in the organization goals and sustainability. Understanding that stakeholder is a crucial in the context of communication because it helps the organization design communication strategies that align with the needs and expectation of stakeholder. Next, number two is message analysis. Analysis is step involved evaluating the key message conveyed by the organization. This includes assessing the consistency, clarity, and alignment of message with the company values, ensuring that message align with the organization is the identity and mission help create cohesion and better understanding among stakeholders. Last step is evaluation of communication media. It is a step focused on reviewing various communication channels such as social media, website, and marketing materials. The goal of this evaluation is to understand to extent to which communication media support or enhance the organization communication process, ensuring the availability and effectiveness of various communication channels helps the organization maintain its visibility and communicate effectively with diverse stakeholders. As the next step is communication performance measurement. The number one is stakeholder feedback and response aspect. This aspect involves assessing the response and feedback received from the stakeholder. Analyzing how stakeholders react to communication initiative provide insight into the effectiveness of the communication strategy. Understanding whether the message is well received, comprehended, and aligned with stakeholders' expectations help gauge the overall success of the communication. The next aspect is communication key performance indicator or KPI. Utilizing performance indicator is essential for quantifying and measuring the effectiveness of communication strategies. Example of KPIs include the engagement rate, message retention rate, and other measurable metrics. These indicators serve as benchmark to track and evaluate the impact of communication effort over time, allowing organizations to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions in enhancing their communication strategies. And the last is what the conclusion. The conclusion is communication audit is a systematic process designed to evaluate, and measure the effectiveness of the entire communication system in an organization. In the context of business and organizational environment, communication is not simply the flow of information, but rather the crucial foundation that forms the relationship between a company and stakeholders. The importance of a communication audit lies in its ability to investigate and measure the extent to which the message delivered by an organization achieve its objective. Whether it is building a positive corporate image, maintaining strong relationship with stakeholders, or providing accurate information to various concerned parties. By detailing steps such as stakeholder identification, method analysis, and communication media evaluation, a communication audit helps identify strength and weakness in organization communication strategy. Moreover, the aspect of measuring communication performance through feedback and KPI provide an in-depth understanding of the effectiveness of the message delivered and how well the organization can adapt or to response from various parties. Communication crisis management is also a focus given the importance of the preparation and rapid response in addressing situations that could harm a company reputations. The legal and ethical aspect of communication audit provide insight into message compliance with applicable regulation and laws, as well as the protection of confidential information. By providing recommendation and improvements based on audit result, organization can continue to develop more effective communication strategies, increase transparency, and minimize communication risk. A communication audit is not only an evaluation tool, but also a driver of change and continuous improvement in an effort to strengthen the communication foundation of an organization. And thank you. I hope you can get helpful knowledge from this presentation. Like and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.